Good morning to everyone. Good morning, sir. First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity, sir. My, my name is Arvind from Srinivas Ramanjan Institute of Technologies, second BTech CSC. Today's my topic is environmental consequences of overpopulation. The subject name is environmental science and introduction to overpopulation. Overpopulation occurs when the number of people exceeds the capacity of the environment to sustain them. This phenomena is driven by factors such as decreased mortality rates and increased birth rates. Understanding the environmental consequences of overpopulation is crucial for sustainable development. We can see in the diagram overpopulation. The overpopulation occurs when a population of a species exceeds the carrying capacity of its ecological niche. Overpopulation is a function of the number of individuals compared to the relevant resources. And resource depletion. Overpopulation leads to overconsumption of natural resources including water, fossil fuels and arable land. As the demand of resources increases, ecosystems are strained, leading to habitat destruction and loss of biodiversity. Unsustainable practices like deforestation and overfishing become more prevalent as population grows. Population and waste generation. A larger population results in increased waste production contributing to pollution in the air, water and soil. Urban areas often struggle with waste management, leading to the proliferation of landfills and toxic waste sites. Pollution from industrial activities and transportation systems exacerbates health problems and environmental degradation. Here we can see in the graph waste and population. Climate change acceleration. Overpopulation intensifies greenhouse gases emissions through higher energy consumption and transportation needs. Deforestation by agriculture expansion and urban development further contributes to climate change. To cumulative effect of these actions accelerates global warming and disrupts weather patterns. We can see in the diagram greenhouse effect and greenhouse effect rampant CO2 from the earth. Solutions and sustainable practices. Addressing overpopulation requires comprehensive strategies including education and family planning and reproductive health. Promoting sustainable development practices can help mitigate the environmental impact of overpopulation. Community engagement and policy changes are essential for fostering a balance between population growth and environmental preservation. Here we can see in the diagram sustainable development goals. There are 8 goals. And the case study about this overpopulation is we have investigated the impact of overpopulation in Mexico City. In the Mexico City, the overpopulation around 9 million people. In Mexico City is one of the most densely populated urban areas in the world, with a population exceeding 9 million people in city. Overpopulation in urban settings often leads to increased demand for housing, transportation and resources. This pressure can significantly impact environmental conditions, particularly air quality. This pressure is significantly impact on air quality, particularly. Source of air pollution in Mexico City. Major sources of air pollution include vehicle emissions, industrial discharges and construction activities. High number of vehicles in Mexico City contributes to elevated level of nitrogen oxides and particulate matter. Additionally, the geographical features of the city can trap pollutants, exacerbating the air quality issue. Here we can see particulate matter, vehicles, and construction factories. Health impacts of poor air quality. Poor air quality in Mexico City is linked to serious health issues including respiratory diseases and cardiovascular problems. Vulnerable pollution populations such as children and elderly and particularly at risk from air pollution related illness. Long term exposure to polluted air can lead to chronic health conditions and reduced life expectancy. Here we can see in the diagram health effects of air population. Future considerations and solutions. Sustainable urban planning and policies are essential to address the dual changes of overpopulation and air quality. Investments in green infrastructure and renewable energy can help reduce emissions and improve air quality. Collaborative effects between government, industry, and community are crucial for creating a healthier environment in Mexico City. Smart, sustainable, and resilient cities. The power of nature based solutions. In the diagram we can see here. And last, the conclusion about this overpopulation, how we should decrease, is the environmental consequences of overpopulation are profound and multifaceted, affecting ecosystem, natural resources, and human well-being on a global scale. Overpopulation places immense pressure on the Earth's resources, leading to deforestation, loss of biodiversity, air and water pollution, and climate change. As population more land is converted for agriculture and urban development, reducing wildlife habitats and causing species extinctions. This is the conclusion about overpopulation, and thank you.